Welcome back to Autoscope. Lamborghini Motorhome 2026. Appearance design. Lamborghini's aggressive and futuristic design DNA dominates the appearance of the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. The aerodynamic profile, dramatic contours, and sharp lines give the impression that a supercar has been stretched into a motorhome. The car's body is made of carbon fiber, which is lightweight and robust, just like the material found on Lamborghini hypercars. The car's scissor-style doors, which pay homage to Lamborghini tradition, give it a dramatic and upscale appearance. A ferocious aspect is produced by Lamborghini's trademark Y-shaped taillights and sharp matrix LED headlights. Like race cars, the vehicle's sides include retractable aerodynamic panels that actively adapt to generate downforce or decrease drag. In addition to providing breathtaking views of the sky, a big panoramic glass roof allows in natural light. Interior. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome's interior is intended to rival that of a private airplane cabin or opulent apartment. Lamborghini's concern with design and craftsmanship is evident in every little detail. With voice commands or a touchscreen, the advanced AI system controls the entire car, including the navigation, entertainment, climate, and lighting. With features like an induction stove, a smart refrigerator, a concealed espresso machine, and even a wine cooler, the kitchen was meticulously constructed with cockpit accuracy. A floating king-size bed with adaptive air suspension in the master bedroom can be adjusted in hardness to suit the user's preferred sleeping position. The idea is sometimes portrayed as being propelled by a hybrid engine, like a V12 or V8. In conjunction with an electric motor, though specifics vary widely. On both highways and twisty mountain roads, its adjustable air suspension, rear-wheel steering, and all-wheel drive system provide accurate handling and unexpected agility. And our windshield that displays real-time speed data, navigation, 3D hazard warnings, and terrain analysis takes the place of the conventional dashboard.